Hi, this is Jamie Davis, the Podmedic, and I'm here at the X-Collar booth, and we're talking to Martin. He has put together a pretty innovative change to the EMS seat collaring of our patients, and really actually applying the splint that we pretend to apply with most seat collars. I'd like to let you take a look at what he's talking about here in this video segment.
Okay, Jamie, thank you so much. What I'm going to show you is the principle. How does this work? Christian, do me a favor, turn around to demonstrate. What are we doing, instead of just putting a regular conventional collar on a patient, what are we doing is splinting the cervical spine. So we're going to support above the injury, above C1, in the occipital region of the patient. And we're going to support past C7, below C7, in the, between the scapulas. That's going to be in the posterior. Anterior, turn around please, Christine. We're going to support the facial features and the upper sternum. Okay, the difference is that we're going to customize the splint to the patient needs, to the patient's size and even position. And then once this is secure, we got the circumference, then we're going to do the length for the neck. So like you can see, Christian has a small circumference neck, but it's a very long neck. Okay, and then to integrate the two pieces, the posterior and anterior pieces, we're going to pull the straps and we're going to crisscross them in front of the chin, leaving the trachea axis open and splinting the patient in a proper neutral alignment. Okay, so this is it. That's how it's done. Now I would like Christian to show. Christian, please rotate your head and look at my hand over here. As you can see, when the patient attempts to rotate, the whole torso goes with it as a unit. So, Christian, do me a favor, face that way, face that way. What are we doing is, the device is working as if I was holding her head manually. But it's not just holding the head, it's also supporting the torso and making the head and the torso one unit. Improvising and protecting the cervical spine from potential further injury. Christian, do me a favor and look up and down. A little more. There you go. So you can tell that the cervical spine is not moving and the movement is thoracic. And look at the ergonomics. The device is around the ear, so if the patient is wearing earrings, it's not applying pressure. The posterior piece works as imagine a miniature backboard. That's an analogy we can do. And you have bilateral control. Having bilateral control of the device like this allows you to maintain alignment, neutral alignment, regardless the size of a patient. With the X-collar, we can splint the cervical spine of a patient, and let me show to the camera, if this is the center of the spine, and maintain alignment on a patient even if it's over 300 pounds, 350 pounds, a large adult. And we can use the same device without changing it, just adjust bilaterally in order to reduce the size, and we can take care also of a pediatric patient around 25 pounds. So that could be, depending on the physique, would be a 2.5-year-old or so. But how we do that, also the center of the spine is here, and we maintain the neutral alignment. And additionally, because you control bilaterally, we can do one more thing, which is adjust to different positions. So if you have some rotation or even flexion or extension, you can accommodate the splint for those positions, minimizing manipulation or movement of the patient when they complain of any pain upon movement.
Excellent. Well, where can we find out more about this product?
Well, in our website, www.xcollar.com, and it's being used in several agencies through the US in like about 28 countries around the world.
So that was our segment with Martin from xcollar.com. You can find out more information by going to www.xcollar.com. And I also want to thank them for their recent sponsorship of our special trauma premiere episode and for helping out the MedicCast in the many ways that they have.